All right, so we got our sunset. All right, so we got our sunshade installed. We went with the 12 by 20 to go along our whole outdoor porch here. 90% UV blockage, which is really nice. We like to sit out here in the morning, so the sun is coming in at this angle. Doesn't make it possible, especially coming into the summer, really hot. This really helps with that. We were sent this product from the company, and I want to thank them for that. Also, the grommets here along the edge. So I use nails with heads on them. And the way that I did this keeps those from sliding off. And the grommets on this are reinforced. And this is also a reinforced polyurethane material. So it's breathable. So when the wind comes through, it's not going to take this and rip it off. It's going to let the air go through it, which is really nice. But yeah, it's great because we have a gate back here. Pull my car in the summertime, and I can wash my car in the shade any time of the day, which is a really nice thing because I like to keep my car clean. And it's just a great thing. This isn't permanent. We want to be able to take this down when we want to have some sun. So I set it up that way. You can see these are the cables that were included with the tarp here. So it works out nice. So we have this fence here. So we just connect a couple of those together, stretch it across, and we did it on each corner and in the middle. So it makes it easy to take down and put up. So really functional, really great. And I'm really impressed with it. It's kind of like having another room to your house once you get one of these set up. You know, you don't really realize it. So yeah, highly recommend something like this if you're looking for some shade this summer. Thing's great, and yeah, I think we're really gonna enjoy it.